Hey, everybody face this way and feed them. They'll come. Face me.
It's all right.
All over the floor now. They're just
and one got it, and so it took it right out of my hand.
Wow.
It took it right out of the seagull's hand.
Wow.
And her grandma dumped all them out for
Okay.
them.
Whoop, grab your bag, grab your bag. Thank you, Emily.